Hello students, today I am going to take some questions to solve as we have covered all the concepts to solve the equations for chapter pair of linear equations in two variables, and we have done 5 parts for this chapter. Now today I am explaining part 6 for this chapter, and last time I have given you some questions to solve. These are from NCERT books, and you have to solve these questions from any method. Like you can apply elimination method to solve, you can apply substitution method to solve, so any method, or cross multiplication also. So you can solve questions by any method. So here I have taken one question like 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2, and 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. You have to solve these equations to find the value of x and y by any method. Here I am taking elimination method to solve this equation. So first what you will be doing in these types of questions, here we have 1 upon 2x and 1 upon 3y. So first of all you will be taking 1 upon x and 1 upon y as a and b. First you will write let 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. When you will be putting 1 upon x is equal to a in equation number 1, the form of equation number 1 will be a upon 2 plus b upon 3 is equal to 2. Now you have to rectify this. So what are the denominators of this? 2 and 3. You will be taking the LCM of 2 and 3, and the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Now you have to solve it properly. 6 divided by denominator and multiplied by numerator. So 6 divided by 2, it will be coming 3, multiplied by a, 3a. Plus sign you will be putting. Then 6 divided by 3, it is coming 2, multiplied by b, it is coming 2b. Now 2 we have in right hand side. 3a plus 2b upon 6 is equal to 2. You will cross multiply 3a plus 2b, 6 multiplied by 2, it will be coming 12. So equation number 1 will be 2a, 3a plus 2b is equal to 12. Now equation number 2 is given 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. Here we have taken 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. You will be putting the value of 1 upon x and 1 upon y in equation number 2, and you will reform it. So it will be coming a upon 3 plus b upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. On this side, LCM you will be taking, that is 6, and numerator we will be getting 2a plus 3b is equal to 13 upon 6. Here in denominator we have 6, and here also in denominator we have 6. So 6 and 6 will be cancelled. 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. It is equation number 2. Now you have to solve these equations to find the value of a and b. It is 3a plus 2b is equal to 12, equation number 1, and 2a plus 3b is equal to 13, equation number 2. These equations you can solve by any method, but here I am taking elimination method to solve these equations, and I am equating the value of b to eliminate b. So value of b is 2b in equation number 1, and here we have 3b. By which number we should multiply to equate the value of b? This equation will be multiplied by 3, it will be coming 6b, and this equation, equation number 2, will be multiplied by 2 to get 6b over here. So equation number 1 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 3, 9a, plus 2b multiplied by 3, 6b is equal to 12 multiplied by 3, 36. And equation number 2, 2a multiplied by 2, 4a, plus 3b multiplied by 2, 6b is equal to 13 multiplied by 2, 26. Now we have plus 6b and plus 6b. You will change the sign of second equation to eliminate the value of b. it will be minus 4a, minus 6b, minus 26. So 9a minus 4a, it will be coming 5a, plus 6b minus 6b will be cancelled, and here 36 minus 26, it is coming 10. So 5a is equal to 10, a is equal to 10 by 5, and a is equal to 2. Here what we have taken, a, that is 1 upon x is equal to 2. So x is equal to, you will reciprocate, it will be 1 upon 2. The value of x is coming 1 upon 2, and the value of a you will be putting in this equation to find the value of b, and here you will be getting value of b is 3, and b we have taken 1 upon y. You will reciprocate, so y is equal to 1 upon 3. So these are the values. Value of x is 1 upon 2, value of y is 1 upon 3. These are coming, and this is the solution for given equations. X is equal to 1 upon 2, y is equal to 1 upon 3. In these types of questions, what you have to do, you have to take 1 upon x is equal to a, 1 upon y is equal to b, then you will putting the value of 1 upon x and 1 upon y, then you will reform the equations. You will make the linear equations like this: 3a plus 2b is equal to 12, and 2a plus 3b is equal to 13. And you have to solve these equations, find the value of a and b, then at last you have to find the value of x and y. So these are the questions, these types of questions you will be solving in your NCERT books also. Thank you.